We are concerned by the emergence of a deliberate policy to reintroduce ethnic mobilization and regional balkanization of our politics. This follows a perverse big tent political model where self-appointed ethnic chiefs are invited to dictate and also eat on behalf of their people. The tragedy of this model is that it makes ethnicity to be the focal point of politics, turning toxic ethnic contestation into the key feature of our democracy. For a long time, the country has yearned for an issue-based political discourse. The Hustler Nation's agenda and platform rest on such a pedestal. This is why we have consistently endeavored to shift national discourse from the retrogressive and divisive politics of tribe to a new conversation that is inclusive and focused on a bottom-up empowerment approach. It is the only way to meaningfully harness the dividend of democratic governance and realize the promise of shared prosperity. We intend to broaden the base of participation and contribution to nation building and extend the reach of our prosperity. We reaffirm our commitment to focus our political and intellectual energy to this issue-based conversation and shall continue to reject the invitation by our competitors to a narrow, selfish, and visionless agenda based on tribe, regions, and ethnic political kingpins.